Hello everyone, myself I am Uma and I have overall 8+ years of IT experience as a data analyst and 4 years of experience as a corporate trainer. I am a Microsoft certified data analyst currently working at Microsoft. Hello everyone, welcome to KSR Datavizon YouTube channel. In today's session, we will learn two text functions, that is concatenate and combine values. Okay. So here I have loaded the data. So this is my table, orders table, where I have some information regarding the orders, as well as I do have information about the customer details as well. Okay. So here I am having the customer first name, customer last name, as well as some additional columns as well. Okay. Regarding that segments, region, all these details I'm having. Now let me try to put this customer's first name and last name both together into one column, that is the customer name column. Okay. So for that, I will try to achieve using concatenate function. So I will select this table. I'll try to create a new column. Okay. So that column will be my customer name. So here I'll write some function called concatenate function. Okay, this function I'm using. So it is asking to pass only two text strings. So this will combine both and then show in a single column. Okay, so I'll pass first name as well as last name. I'll close this. Okay, if you see now, the customer name column is created. If you see the customer name column, it is created. But what is the problem here in this customer name column? It is combining both, right? Customer first name, last name, both it is combining without any space. Both it is joining and it is giving as one single name without any space. Okay, this is what the concatenate function is doing. Now, to overcome this problem, I also need to give some delimiter, right? Means some space between the first name and last name. So let me try to use one other function to overcome this problem. Without any space, if you just want to combine two columns, you can use this concatenate function. But if you want to combine more values and also give some delimiters between those values, you have to use some other function called combine values function. Now let me create one more column using combine values. Using this, I am going to find the customer name. Okay, using this function, I'm going to find. So I'm giving the name like this. Now the function is combine values function. In this function, if you see the syntax, it is asking I have to use combine values function. So I'm using this function. So in this combine values function, it is asking first to pass the delimiter and give the set of expressions. So my first value is the delimiter. In delimiter, I'm going to give just a space. Okay, some space I'm giving in my delimiter. And then I'm going to give the column names. That is my first name I'll give, as well as I'll give the last name. Okay. So now I will click on enter. Now if you see the customer name which is created using combined values, you are seeing the space between this, isn't it? So when you used concatenate function here, you were not able to provide any delimiter and only two text strings it was taking. Whereas if you are using combine values function, you can pass n number of values. Okay, I have only passed this first name and last name. That's why you are able to see only two names. And here I am able to give the delimiter also. Okay, the space also I'm entering. So here also you can see the difference. See, the more the space I am giving, here you can see the difference, right? Between two names, you are able to see this. Now let me also try with some other column. I'll try to add everything, category, subcategory, product name, all these three I'll try to put into one column. So which will be the best option? Concatenate or combine values? Combine values will be best because you can use three columns here. So let's quickly achieve that as well. So I'll go to this table, I'll create a new column. Okay. So here I'll give category, subcategory, as well as product. These three I'll try to put into one column by using this combine values function. In this function, I'm going to take the delimiter as like this. And now I'll give the column names, that is category column I'll give first. And then I also want to combine the subcategory column as well. And on top of that, again, I want to combine this product name column. Okay, so all this I want to combine with the delimiter, this symbol. Okay, right arrow symbol. So I'll try to close this. Now let's see the difference, how it is created. Let's go to the data view. Now if you see this category, subcategory, product, can you see this? More than two values I have combined here, right? So this is the column I have selected. So combine values is the function I have used. And here the delimiter, I have used this arrow. You can also see that arrow between these three columns which I'm using. So now this complete one is a product name. This one is the category. This one is the subcategory, and then the product name. Okay, so this is how you can use the concatenate function and combine values function. So depending on the situation where you don't want to use any delimiter, then in that case you can directly use this concatenate function, which will only accept two text strings, whereas if you use combine values you can give more than two, including the delimiters. Okay, so this is the difference between concatenate function and combine values function. If you have any doubts regarding this, please comment in the comment section. And for more informative videos, please do like, share and subscribe to KSR Datavizon YouTube channel. Thank you.